Hello, myself Dr. K.W. Pawar from Department of Botany, रयत शिक्षण संस्थाज राव बहादुर नारायणराव बोराव के कॉलेज, श्रीरामपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, अहमदनगर. Friends, today I am going to deal on the topic that is the artificial method of vegetative propagation or what we called artificial vegetative propagation method. From that there is the grafting. The topic is from the T.Y.B.Sc, third year B.Sc. There is a paper that is the horticulture and floriculture, and from that this topic, that is the artificial vegetative propagation, that is the propagation method, what we called the grafting. In previous video we had seen the method, that is the artificial vegetative propagation method, that is cutting, then layering. Now today we are going to see the grafting. What is the grafting, or what do you mean by the grafting? Grafting is the technique of joining a part of one plant, joining the part of one plant to the another plant, in such a way that the two will unite and continue their growth as the single plant. Here there is the joining the part of one plant to the particular another plant in such a way they unite and grow as the particular single plant, or in such a way that two will unite and continue their growth as the single plant. Union of two plant takes place and they grow as the particular single plant, what we called it as the grafting. So when we going to see the grafting, there is the two things are necessary to understand. What do you mean by the scion and what do you mean by the particular stalk? Actual scion means what? Stalk means what? And scion means what? Because when there is the grafting process, these two terminologies is very important to understand. Okay, first of all, there is the stalk, the plant or part of plant, the plant or part of plant on which union is done. Suppose here the plant or part of plant where there is the union is done, or in simple language where there is the grafting is done. What is called as the stalk, or the plant or part of plant on which union is done is called as the particular stalk. Here there is the particular grafting. Union is done means what? Where there is the grafting is done, and that is called as the particular stalk. Then second thing, that is what? The scion, the part of plant which unite, the part of plant which unite on the stalk, on here the part of plant unite on stalk, or what we called grafted on stalk, is called as the scion. The part of plant which unite on stalk or grafted on stalk is called as the scion. That is, in very simple language, the upper part of the graft is scion, and the lower part of the graft is called a stalk. The lower part of the graft is called part is the stalk. Okay, mean upper one, that is scion, and lower one, that is the stalk. Okay, so these things that is important to consider. Then when one can go for grafting, there is the some conditions that are essential for the particular grafting. Some conditions can consider for the particular grafting. First of all, there is the formation of callus at the place of the particular union. Formation of callus, as callus means what? We know that callus is nothing but the undifferentiated mass of the cell. Okay, so first thing is that there is the particular formation of callus at the place of union, where they united, there is the formation of the particular callus. This is the condition essential for the particular grafting. Then second thing is that the differentiation of new cambium. Differentiation of new cambium from the cell of the particular callus. Whatever the callus form, there is the requirement of the particular differentiation of the cell of the cambium from the callus, which is in line with the cambial layers of the particular partners. Okay, so these two conditions that are essential for the particular grafting. This cambial cell produce the vascular tissue with xylem toward the inner side. There is this cambial tissue produce the vascular tissue, that is xylem toward the inner side and phloem toward the particular outer side. So this is the condition that consider when one can go for the particular grafting purpose. Then what are the methods of the grafting? What are the methods of the grafting? Here methods of grafting. Okay, methods of grafting. These are there are the particular several methods of grafting. These methods are classified. There are the several methods of grafting, and these methods are classified as under according to the some common followed principle. Here there is some these methods under according to the some common followed principle. What is that? There are the three types of the principles commonly followed in the methods of grafting. First one is that scion detach method. Scion detach method or method. Then second one method is that, or second principle followed, that is the method of grafting on established tree. Method of grafting on established tree. Method of grafting on established tree. And third one is that, what is scion attached method. Okay, third one is what? That is the scion attached method. In case of the particular first method, what is that? Scion detached method. These are the methods of grafting in which the particular scion is detached from the mother plant. Here name itself indicate that there is the scion is detached from the particular mother plant or what we call the scion tree and then inserted into the particular stalk plant or rooted stalk, what we call rooted stalk. Means what? Simply here there is the scion is detached from the mother plant and then inserted into the particular stalk or what is called rooted stalk, so that there is the union takes place and combination continue to grow. Very simple, very simple, as I told you in definition of the grafting. So here there is the scion detached from the mother plant and inserted into the stalk plant. Inserted into the stalk plant. This is the principle is followed in this particular method, and so that they continue to the grow. This particular scion detached method is followed in whip grafting, then there is the tongue grafting, and then there is the stone grafting. Whip grafting, tongue grafting and stone grafting. Okay, this scion detached method is followed in whip grafting, then tongue grafting and then stone grafting. Then methods of grafting on established tree. Methods of grafting on established tree. Here there is these are the particular methods which can be successfully adopted to convert the inferior crown of the established plant. To convert the inferior crown of the established plant into the particular superior crown. Inferior crown, suppose there is the established plant is there and that particular established plant having the inferior crown, and that time this method will be used. Means what? Grafting is done and then that inferior crown is made into the superior crown. For instance, this method is followed in the particular side grafting. This method of grafting on established tree is followed in the particular side grafting. Then third one, that is the scion attach method. Word itself indicate that there is the scion attached to the particular mother plant. As here I told you, there is the scion detached. Here in this method of grafting, scion kept attached to the mother plant till the graft union takes place. Okay, after the union, then again scion get detached. But still there is the graft union takes place, so that the method is called as the scion attach method. Then the graft is separated by taking the cut at the apex of the stalk and at the base of the particular scion. Okay, so this method is followed in the approach grafting. This method is followed in the approach grafting, or sometime what we call it as the inarch grafting. Okay, we will see the method one by one. What are the grafting method? First of all, there is the whip grafting. Whip. As I told you, this particular method is followed in the scion attached method, that is the whip grafting. Whip grafting is also called as the particular simple grafting. Okay, it is also called as the simple grafting. Here, in case of whip grafting, seedling stalk is cut off at the desired height of 8 to 9 inch from the from the base. Okay, here there is the seedling height is cut, desired height of about 8 to 9 inch. Okay, then there is the particular long diagonal cut here like this. Suppose this is the particular stem portion, and here again you can see here okay, and I will draw here. Here 8 to 9 inches from the base, and then like here. Here this one is the particular diagonal cut, then long after the particular cut off the desired height of the 8 to 9 inch from the base, then there is a long diagonal cut is of 1.5 to 2 inch is made to the top of the stalk. Okay, suppose this one is the stalk. Okay, this one is the particular stalk, and this is what? Scion. Here there is the particular union of the stalk and the scion. Okay, so here just a long diagonal cut of 1 to 1.5 to 2 inch long is made at the top of the stalk. Mature scion branches of about again 9 inch length is selected, and similar type of, that is 1.5 to 2 inch diagonal cut is made to the scion. Okay, at the base. Means what? At the scion there is the same size of cut, diagonal cut is there, and at the stalk there is the again same size of cut is made. Okay, then the stalk and scion are fitted together. Then this stalk and scion that are fitted together and tied with this particular polythene strip. Okay, then after the it tied with the particular polythene strip, then after that there is the particular union takes place in this in this way. There is the union takes place into the few months. Okay, so it is very simple method of the weave grafting. Then next is what? Tongue grafting. Tongue grafting. Here in this case of the tongue grafting, that is there is the particular additional reserve cut is made. Additional reserve cut is made as compared to the particular weave grafting. Here stalk and scion must be of same size. This is the stalk and scion must be of same size. This is the thing that is essential in case of the particular tongue grafting. Okay, then what is the procedure? 1.5 to 2 inch long diagonal, 1.5 to 2 inch long diagonal or sloping, diagonal or what we called sloping cut made at the base of this at the base and at the base and top of the stem. Okay, so here there is the 1.5 to 2 inch long diagonal sloping cut made at the base of the scion and at the base of the particular scion and at the top of the stalk. Okay, means similar size cut is made on the at the base of the particular scion and the top of the stalk. Then 0.5 inch deep reserve cut here like this. Here like this, there is the deep 0.5 inch deep reserve cut is made on each pieces of about 1/3 part from the top. Okay, of about 1/3 inch part from the top. This is the again reserve cut. When there is the whip grafting is there, then there is the no reserve cut. But here there is the additional reserve cut is made of the 0.5 inch. Then stalk and scion are fitted together with the particular tongue interlocking. Stalk and scion fitted together with the tongue interlocking. Then the union will be particular with the grafting. It united with the grafting wax. When whip grafting was there, we unite with the particular polythene strips. Okay, here there is the grafting wax is there, and with the help of the grafting wax it unite. Okay, then after that, after few days, there is the union will be takes place and it forms the new plant. Okay, then next method is what? That is the stone grafting. Stone grafting. Okay, here generally there is the stone grafting is used in the mango plant. Stone grafting is used in the mango plant. Use of mango stone here, and here in case of the stone grafting, there is the use of the mango stone sown in the particular nurseries, then or nursery bed. Then first of all, what will be the procedure? First of all, remove the top of the top. Okay, with the help of the particular sharp knife. Then at height of 7 to 8 centimeter from ground. At height of 7 to 8 centimeter from the ground. Means you can choose the nursery raised mango seedling. then remove the particular top from the 7 to 8 centimeter from the particular base or from the ground. Make vertical cut to the stem of about 4 to 5 centimeter. That is again what we called V-shape cut. Again what we called V-shape cut. Make vertical cut to stem of about 4 to 5 centimeter length, splitting stone into the 2 holes. Okay, splitting stone into the 2 holes. Then make a select 10 to 15 centimeter matured branch of the desired variety. Whatever variety you want, you can select that particular 10 to 15 centimeter matured branch desired variety, cut it and use as the particular scion. Okay, use as the scion. Immediately after, use as the scion. Immediately after, this scion is given slanting cut of about 4 to 6 centimeters on opposite side. Okay, so there is the immediately after this the scion is given slanting cut of about 4 to 6 centimeter opposite side on opposite side, and make a wedge shape appearance. Then after that insert the prepared wedge shape scion stock in the splitted part or split end and stock and fix it firmly. Okay, then there is the fix it firmly and use of the particular fixation or wrap with the particular cloth. Okay, then after that in few 15 to 20 days there is the union or make, and there is the formation of the particular new plant. Okay, then next one is that there is the side grafting. Side grafting. Okay, here scion shoot of about 4 to 4.5 inch. This is what scion shoot. Okay, here there is the use of the scion shoot of 4 to 5 of 4 to 4.5 inch defoliated, a narrow thin wedge of about 1 to 1.5. Here you can make the narrow thin wedge of about 1 to 1.5 deep is made on any side of the particular stalk. Suppose here stalk, here there is the particular wedge is made. Any side of the particular stalk there is the 1 to 1.5 deep long made on the lower end of the particular scion. Then after obligate cut to 1 to again 1 to 1.5 same 1 to 1.5 deep is made on any side of the stalk with the appropriate angle of 20 to 30 degree. 20 to 30 appropriate angle is of 20 to 30 degree. Scion is then inserted in the clipped on this particular clipped on the stalk. Suppose this one is the clipped of the stalk, and then a firm bandage made with the particular cloth. Then after that, after few days, there is the union will be made. Okay, so this is the particular this is the particular about the side grafting. Then there is the next method, that is what? There is the particular approach grafting, or last method, that is what? approach grafting. Okay. Up till now we had seen the four method, that is the particular weave grafting, tongue grafting, stone grafting, side grafting, and last method, that is what? Approach grafting. Okay. This particular approach grafting is simple method of the grafting. Approach grafting is the simple method of grafting, is largely practiced in India. In which plant? There is the mango, guava and sapota. Okay. This approach grafting is largely used in the India, practiced in India, in mango, sapota and the guava. This is the only method. Approach grafting is the particular only method of grafting in which both the scion and the stalk are on their own root or two independent and self-growing plant are grafted together. Okay. So here select, what is the procedure? Select 1 year old terminal twig of about 45 to 50 centimeter long. Okay. Here there is the selection of the terminal shoot. Terminal, generally here there is the use of the particular terminal shoot of the particular length of the desired variety. Okay. Then a healthy and well established potted seedling of the same size is selected at the stalk. Here there are sometimes there is the use of the particular potted stalk, and scion is from the other plant. Okay. Then hold the scion branch and mark the position where can be fitted. Then remove 5 centimeter long and 1 to 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter long and 1 to 2 centimeter, 1 to 2 centimeter broad and 0.2 centimeter deep slice of the bark. Both the plant, the same size of the bark get removed and wood with the sharp grafting knife okay, from the previously marked portion. The cut that made should be flat, clean. Okay. Whatever the cut you have made on the stalk and scion, remove the bark or slit of the bark of the same size from the stalk and the scion. Bring the cut surfaces together face to face. Yes, here suppose this one is the branch and here also there is this one is the potted plant and here also there is the branch. Okay. There is the particular, bring the surface together face to face. These surfaces of the branch face to face without leaving hollow interspace between them. Okay. Then they tied with the flat tape like the banana sheath, or sometime there is the use of the jute tape. Okay. After that there is the union are made, then water the rootstock, then union is completed about the 3 months. After the 3 months there is the union complete. Then severe cut gradually the scion from the parent tree after the union. Then cut is made after the union is completed, that is stalk is cut from apex of the appropriate height and scion is cut from the base. So this is about the particular approach grafting, where there is the particular approach grafting is done. Okay, so this is all about the methods of the grafting. What we had seen: the weave grafting, tongue grafting, stone grafting, side grafting and approach grafting. Okay, thank you.